Maybe we can add some shields. Wow, my friend Joey, that is a great idea. But first let me try and get of here. Ouch! I'm up here. Hey robot, are you okay?
I am. I do feel great. Thank you.
Hello, I am Melon Dot, the owner of Fegreed Inventions. How may I help you?
Mr. Melon, the TV will turn on in 10 seconds.
Okay.
I think it's about Boss Cactus, the powerful boss. Happy news! The Boss Cactus will be here too. Destroy those two evil robot mechs. Thankfully, he is too powerful. So those two robots will not stand a chance to destroy the Boss Cactus.
That was great, but who is he? Never heard of him. Hey, with Mech Dot, who is Cactus Boss Dot, is he like a superhero? Is he your boss?
He is my boss. He created me Dot so that the world can have peace. I'll tell more in episode 9.
Okay, thanks for sharing me that.
I know about Boss Cactus too.
Me too.